Good morning, students. Welcome to this exciting class. Subject English. The unit is prose. Children, before starting with this session, I want each and everyone to just keep your Balbharati textbook ready and your pencil also ready. You have to not just listen but also actively participate in all the activities given in the session. Let's begin. Just think, students, you can see here a smiley face and he is thinking, what are legendary heroes? Now students, we have seen so many movies based on history, based on many legendary heroes. You will be knowing, no? It may be of history subject or any other people who have done good work for our country. So just think about legendary heroes. Okay, here you can see so many pictures. There are soldiers and here they have fought for our nation, and you can see our country flag also. And here you can see all the freedom fighters. We all have studied in our previous classes also. They have fought for our country. Why? To make our nation united, for our safety, for the safety of their own life and also of our country. That's why we are safe at our home. And our brave soldiers, they sacrifice their own lives for our safety. So we should, children, just think about it. How important soldiers are and the legendary heroes. We salute you, soldiers. So children, Independence Day, Republic Day, we all celebrate. Isn't it in our school also? Same way, children, we have to honor them. We have to respect and salute our soldiers, our legendary heroes. So today we will learn very interesting topic. I know you will enjoy it. The name of the unit is 1.7 Paramvir Chakra. Our heroes, page number 20, part 1. So dear students, I want everyone to open your English Balbharati textbook, page number 2020. The name of the unit is 1.7 Paramvir Chakra, our heroes. Now children, you can see a beautiful flag of our nation, of our country, India. In the saffron color it is written Paramvirs. And here you can see Paramvir Chakra medal. And in between you can see the Ashoka Chakra. And in green color you can see 21 Indian Armed Forces personnel with acts of supreme and selfless bravery have won the country's highest wartime gallantry award. So beautifully the picture is, children. Now let's learn more about what is Paramvir. 1.7 Paramvir Chakra are heroes. Now children, I want everyone with your Balbharti textbook and a pencil. So while I am reading, you will also read. You may have heard about legendary heroes of the past and their extraordinary acts of bravery. Now children, underline the word legendary. What is the meaning of legendary? Legendary means very famous. Famous means how they have done some good work. That is famous for our nation. So the meaning of legendary is very famous. Now let me give you a sentence of legendary. Legendary stories are passed from parents to children. Now students, from our childhood, we are listening to so many stories. Stories of Bhagavad Gita, stories of historical events. Isn't it? Our parents, our grandparents, they tell us. Why? Because something good they have done. That's why it is known as legendary. So legendary stories are passed from parents to children. Now, I will give you 1 minute. Just frame a sentence of the word legendary. I gave you an example. Legendary means what? Very famous. So same way you also frame a sentence. Write this in your rough book. Okay students, let's move on. But even today, many brave soldiers of our country sacrifice their own lives for our safety. Who sacrifice children? They are the brave soldiers who don't think about their lives but towards the country, to protect our country. Their brave deeds are honored by bestowing military decorations on them. Now children, in school, suppose in your class, you have done some good work. You have taken part in any competition or anything. Or you have done some good work at your home. You all get now something, you all get gift, you all get medals. Same way children, our brave soldiers are honored. Okay, they are honored. Now let's see how they are honored. Here comes a question. What is Paramvir Chakra? Now the lesson name is only Paramvir Chakra. This is the new phrase for you all. Paramvir Chakra. What is Paramvir Chakra? I will tell you. Paramvir Chakra is India's highest military decoration. It is awarded for the most conspicuous bravery. Now underline the word conspicuous. What is the meaning of conspicuous, children? This new word. The meaning of the word conspicuous means outstanding. So, because of their outstanding bravery, their daring, their fighting, how they are doing, all these are preeminent act of valor or self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy. It can be whether on land, at sea or in the air. Wherever they are fighting, whether on land, sea or in the air. So self-sacrifice in the presence of the enemy. That is very important. The Paramvir Chakra is very rare honor. Children, you will be thinking this everyone will be getting. No, it is very rare. So far, it has been awarded only 21 times. 14 of these awards were given posthumously. What is the meaning of this word? Posthumously means after a person's death. So when a person is died, this award is given to him. Why? For his outstanding bravery which he has done. Now children, in your textbook only one medal is given. But I am going to explain you why here both sides are given. Now in your coin, we have heads and tail, right? Same way, this coin has front side and back side. So this medal is known as Paramvir Chakra. Repeat, Paramvir Chakra. This is the highest gallantry award in India. So what is the highest award in India? Paramvir Chakra. This remember. I have written here remember. Now let's learn in detail what is this medal and why this is given. Let's learn. I have told you the meaning of these words and the sentence. Let's frame a sentence of the word conspicuous means outstanding. There were a number of conspicuous changes to the building. Means outstanding. Changes were done in the building. You will also frame a sentence. What is the meaning of the word posthumously? Means after a person's death. The books were published posthumously. So after a person's death, the books were published. Now students, let's learn in detail about the Paramvir Chakra medal. Now the Paramvir Chakra, it is the highest gallantry award in India. So here's an objective question for you. What is the highest gallantry award in India? Paramvir Chakra. You can see a medal here. Now in your textbook, the grey part, which is in color, we are reading that. In your textbook, it's showing only one medal, but here we are showing front side and back side. We will learn in detail about this medal. The medal itself is very simple in appearance. Now children, you can see it is very simple also. It is made of bronze. B-R-O-N-Z-E, bronze. So the metal is bronze. And is fitted with swivel mounting. What does the word swivel mounting means? It means which is fixed in a way which allows it to move freely and has a plain purple ribbon. This is the purple ribbon above. You can see purple color. On the obverse. Now what is the word obverse? Now here you can see the front side. The front side of the medal, it is obverse. Repeat, obverse. It has the Indian national emblem. What it has? Indian national emblem. That is the front side, students. What is emblem? Emblem means symbol. An object that represents something. It is surrounded by, and the emblem is at the center. It is surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. Now, let's see other side. That is the back side. You can see this is plain. Isn't it, students? It is plain. So, on the reverse, the words words are written there. The words Paramvir Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flowers in between. So the obverse side, it is Indian national emblem at the center, which is surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. On the reverse, that is behind, the words are Paramvir Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flowers in between. So behind side you can see there are 2 lotus flowers in between. Now children, this medal here we can't see, but if you search in internet, you will get the photo of the Paramvir Chakra medal. So I hope you have understood in detail about Paramvir Chakra medal. Let's revise once again. It is very simple. It is made of bronze. It is fitted with swivel mounting. It has plain purple ribbon. On the obverse, it has Indian national emblem. Obverse means the front side. At the center, surrounded by 4 replicas of Indra's Vajra. On the reverse, the words Paramvir Chakra are engraved in Hindi and English with 2 lotus flowers in between. So students, we have studied about Paramvir Chakra, about the medal. This is awarded in highest award in India. Let's move on. Question: what is seen on the obverse and reverse of the PVC medal? PVC is Paramvir Chakra medal. Now children, in your textbook only one medal is given. If you want, you can draw also on the side, right hand side. So the front side, it is obverse, and the behind side, that is reverse. Let's just revise main points of the obverse side. It is the Indian national emblem, Indira's Vajra. The 4 replicas of Indira's Vajra. Reverse side, words PVC are engraved in which language? Hindi and English, with 2 lotus flowers in between. And children, here's an activity for you. You will draw neatly in your rough book and color also. And upside you can see purple color ribbon, plain purple ribbon. Same way you will draw, and you will color this medal in bronze. And same way you will label also. Very important. Now, this picture, do you know who is she? She is Savitribai Khanolkar. Savitribai Khanolkar. Repeat. Savitribai Khanolkar. Question: who designed the PVC medal? If we are studying about anything, we should know, no? Who has done the medal? Who has designed? The answer is Savitribai Khanolkar. This lady, she has designed. Now let's read from your textbook the next grey part below the Paramvir Chakra medal. The Paramvir Chakra medal was designed by Savitribai Khanolkar. So this can come as an objective question also. Who was she? She was a European lady She was from Europe, who married Vikram Khanolkar. And who was Vikram Khanolkar? He was an Indian army officer. So Savitri loved India and took Indian citizenship. So children, she was fond of our country India, and that's why she took Indian citizenship. She also spoke Marathi, Sanskrit, Hindi languages fluently. Such a proud moment. She is from Europe and she took Indian citizenship. She married Vikram Khanolkar and also she learned Marathi languages, Sanskrit as well as Hindi fluently, and had studied Indian arts and traditions in depth. So beautiful love for a country. So she has designed this PVC medal. Conclusion. So today we have studied about legendary heroes, how they have sacrificed their lives for our safety, for our country, and how they are honored by bestowing military decorations on them. The importance of PVC medal we have studied in detail, and about Savitribai Khanolkar. So children, I want everyone to read page number 20. This was just part 1. In this lesson, we are going to have 3 parts. The lesson is divided into 3 parts. So next session, we will study more about PVC, our heroes, Paramvir Chakra, in second and third part videos. Pages continue 20 and 21. So I hope you have enjoyed today's session. Pray for our motherland, pray for our mother country, and let's just thank God for our lives and pray for our heroes, our soldiers who are protecting and sacrificing their own lives. That's why we are safe at home. So during this pandemic also, we are all at home, but the soldiers and all the workers, they are sacrificing their lives in order to protect us. So legendary heroes, it can be anyone, it can be you also. In future, you also can take this great step to protect our country. Thank you, students. Have a great day. This is your homework. Your homework for today is, it's a very simple activity. You will draw Paramvir Chakra medal, color and label. Draw both obverse and reverse sides. So in textbook it is given only one, but you will draw both the parts. Read from the textbook what you have studied in part 1. Most important, Google form. Now what is Google form? With this video you will get a link. You will click on the link, and today in part 1 what we have studied. Just recognize, just think, and just solve the questions. And I hope you will solve them quickly. But before that, you will view the video and understand. Thank you, students. God bless you.